Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to continue on my stock series. In today's episode, we're going to get right into it.
Fuck that little bitch on the island inside of the kitchen. I ride with dead people, I'm superstitious. She give me head on the knee, she religious. No, I'm not though, but I ran on the...
All right, last one I did it on ACB. ACB was that marijuana stock company that I said if it ticked up above $7 that I'd make another video. Here we are. It's only about 4 days later. I'm going to minimize this chart right here. I'll show you guys what's going on. So when we last chatted, it was sitting in this $7 range, and 2 days ago it actually had a spike. It spiked up to about $8. I can take a look at my last video. I'll show you guys what I was kind of getting into.
690, it hit about $7. It has heavy resistance at about $7. So be careful, and if it does break that, I will try to make another video. You can see that it's been touching on 7 pretty consistently here. Hasn't had much support up there at that 12.
So basically, ACB finally broke through its resistance pattern of that $7 range. We're gonna go here and take a look. When I made that video prior to this one, it was in that 690 range. I was touching on that pattern. I've been kind of showing what patterns to look for, what are the most powerful patterns. And it's showing that this pattern right here is kind of at its break point. Anything past this is going to be trying to touch on the resistance of the previous months in that 12 range. So that 12 range is back in play, where I've previously said that it didn't have much resistance. Now that it has broken that $7 range, right now it's getting shorted a little bit. It's taken a little pullback, but the news that ACB received yesterday was pretty positive, so we're gonna have to take a interesting look into that and see where that goes from there. I do believe one of their investors or partners got approved by the FDA to start releasing some of their products onto the market. If we pay attention to that more and into the future, hopefully it'll lead to more money and more impact on that stock's price. Back to GE, one of the previous stocks that I had called. GE is currently sitting at about 1047. When I made the video previous to that, it was about, I think, 8, sitting in that 8 range. So I'm not pulling this shit out of my ass. I'm trying to give you guys some pretty good information here. I'm going to continue on this stock series. I like doing them. It's one of my favorite things to do. I just got out on the bike today. It's pretty nice out. It got to be about 70 degrees, so winter's almost over. I'm gonna get onto that. I'm gonna continue in the stocks. Hopefully I can do some more interesting things for you guys. Appreciate it, everybody. Peace.
Hell yeah, they letting me clap. I switched to time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking.